Hey everybody, it's the handbag caller coming to you with the video today. But before I get into that video, please remember to like and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and let's get into the video. So I'm here to basically unbox or unbag with you, because I already took it out the box, the newest bag to my collection. It was during the Dooney Sale, which is still going on now. This is the large holly bag in the color black. Now, I don't have too many black bags in my collection. However, I wanted a crossbody bag that was basically versatile, where I can dress it up a little bit for church on Sundays, or dress it down for work, or go out to dinner, girls' night, whatever. Anyway, this is it. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. This is the Florentine, as you can see, and it is a little crinkly in the back here, but I'm not gonna really trip on that because this is gonna be closer to my body anyway. So the bag has the slide-in buckle here, which I like because it's easy to get in and out. And then let's get into the interior of the bag. As you can see, it has the brushed gold hardware on the sides. This is a crossbody, and it did come with a dust bag. And it has the normal Dooney setup here. You have a slip pocket here, and then a zip pocket here. And since I'm not wearing it today, I'll have to come back and show you guys what actually fits in this bag. But look at the stitching. The stitching is kind of got like a brown. It's not black stitching, but it's like a brown stitching, if you can see that. I'm not sure. Well, let's take off this strap here. It's definitely on here tight. Gotta go get some scissors. I'll be back. All right, finally got it off. So here's the strap. It's a thinner strap, and it is adjustable there, just on the one side. However, if you have another strap this color, you can easily take this off and interchange straps. If you want to put a chain strap on here, which I think will look really nice. And I do have some Coach chain straps, but I think they're not full chain. I think they're leather and chain, but you can find some nice chain straps on Amazon that will go with this bag. But it's really cute. I like it. I like it. I can't wait to wear it. And I'll leave the measurements in the description box below, and anything else that may be handy to you when you're looking at this bag on the website. So I hope I was able to help you, and I'm glad to have this bag in my collection. And again, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. And remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Take care, everybody.